Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. On this video I'm going to be doing some trim restoration using solution finish and over the top sealant by solution finish. It's a two-step process. Well, technically there's more steps, but basically you apply solution finish and then after that you go behind it with over the top sealant, which will lock in the UV protection and keep this looking nice for months and hopefully years to come. Right now this side mirror doesn't look too bad. You know, it's actually been, I've cleaned it up and I've put some Car Pro Pearl on it, so that was a few months back, so it's starting to get a little hazy. And what solution finish does is it brings back that factory look, that deep, rich black factory plastic look. So you know, if you have a car that has a lot of plastic trim, solution finish is a really good product to have on hand because it's guaranteed to fade if you have plastic trim. That's just what the sun does to it. It just oxidizes it and fades it out. So solution finish is a good thing for restoring it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the tripod and show you guys the process. I've already taped it off, and I'm going to do the cleaning step and basically the prep step prior to video in the application process. So here we go. So getting ready to apply solution finish. As I stated, I've already taped off the sides of this plastic side view mirror just to keep from getting any of this on the paint. And I've cleaned it using Surfex HD by BiltHamber. So the surface is extremely bare and ready to take a coating. This is the bottle, and here's my little applicator. It's a little microfiber that's turned black because I've used it so many times. You want to shake it up really well before applying, and after you apply, you wait a couple minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you remove any excess, and then you can go straight with the over the top. So I'm going to show this process here. So you want to make sure you're wearing gloves also, because this stuff is just extremely powerful. So a few drops here. I don't have to use much. It's probably more than I need. I just go to applying it to the surface. You'll notice it goes on really easy. I'm going to bend this pad a little bit so I can get into these other areas. Make sure I get the front of it, the bottom. Get an even coat here. Alright, so I'm going to give that 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm going to go back behind with a microfiber and level it off. So it's been about 3 minutes, a little bit more. I'm going to take this grimy utility microfiber towel and just level this surface off before I go to applying over the top. Now, here we go. So here's my bottle of over the top, and you know, you want to shake this up as well. Stuff smells awesome. It's got like a real cherry scent. So I've got a little terry cloth applicator, a cotton applicator. Put a couple drops of this on here. Not much, just a little bit. Same process, just go and apply this across the surface. Just make sure you level in really good. what you do after you've applied over the top, you can wait 30 minutes to put a second coat. So that's what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to show that on this video. It's just the same process as what I just showed. So you know, this ought to lock in the UV protection and this nice factory look for I think 6 to 12 months minimum, you know, and so I'm hoping for at least that much. Again, the steps were you clean the surface with a good degreaser, which in my case I used BiltHamber Surfex HD, and then you apply solution finish, and then you go behind it with over the top, and you can put multiple layers of over the top. So I'm going to take the camera in after applying one application of solution finish and one application of over the top. I think you can tell that this side view mirror looks 10 million times better. This thing looks awesome. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and please subscribe. I really appreciate all the viewership, and I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. I'm just shy of 100, and then after that the goal will obviously be to get to 1,000. So you guys please help me out if you can and subscribe, and I promise you more videos to come. I'm trying to just, you know, do as many Crown Vic videos as I can for, you know, this platform on a detailing basis, I guess, for the most part, you know, to show people, you know, the things you can do with these cars to really bring them back to life, because it is an older car. So, you know, last one that was out there was 11 years ago, and that's what this one is 2011. And so you see what the years do to them, but you can always bring them back, you know, in most cases. I say always, but in most cases you can bring them back. So that's what I'm trying to share with people, and just my love of detailing and maintaining cars. I'm just a car junkie. I love cars, love everything about them, you know, and just trying to share that with other people. That spark of passion, man, it's something that's in me, and I don't know how I'm wired the way I'm wired, but I'm this way. So I hope you guys are too, and I hope you guys can you know, enjoy this content and gain something from it. That's all I really want to do, is just share with people. And I know where I was 5, 6, 7 years ago, just ran across a lot of stuff on YouTube and various other platforms, and that's really what I'm trying to do, is kind of take the things that I've learned over 5, 6, 7 years and put that into what I'm doing now. So that's going to be the end of this video, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks a lot.